Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Tola Lusi. If you're new here, you are more than welcome. Please do want to click on the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, that way you get notified every time we upload a new video, which is at least once every week. Alright, so it is currently a few minutes past 9. Today I'm off and I have quite a number of videos to shoot today, so hence the bare face. I'm going to be doing my makeup later on. But first off, I have some water and ginger. It kind of looks like palm wine, but I'm not bothered. Water and ginger, first thing today. The water is really cold, so that's refreshing. Daniel is still at home, so I'll be dropping Daniel off in the afternoon.
The TV is on.
Come on, say good morning. Come on, say good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning. You don't say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. They didn't see you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Can I just watch TV now?
Daniel, wait. Alright, so afternoon drop off will be for this boy. I can't wait for September when he starts school. I can't wait for September when it starts big school. So you go to school in the morning with Asha, and mommy can see road. Alright, you guys, I'll catch up with you in the course of the vlog. Daniel, be quiet. Go and play. Go and put on your slippers. Go and put on your slippers. Hello, lovelies, and welcome to this segment of the video. This segment of the video has proudly been sponsored by USBags, and they have sent me a bag, this Fendi bag, to unbox in the video today. This bag is something that I've been meaning to get my hands on for a while now. And just to tell you a little more about the brand itself, so USBag deal with one-to-one replicas. They replicate bags from different kinds of brands across boards. Alright, so to find their website and the link to this particular bag, you can find that all in my description box. So I'll leave a link to their website as well as my unique code as displayed on your screen. All of that will be in the description box. But let's just get to unbox this bag because I've been itching to get my hands on it. Alright, so the bag comes with a receipt, the original receipt of purchase, as well as a certificate of authenticity, so you can just be able to tell that the bag is authentic despite the fact that it's a duplicate. The bag also comes with a manual on how to care for your bags. This is definitely going to be useful just in case you intend to travel or clean the bag at any point. The bag comes with a long strap. This is very versatile, so you can choose to carry this as a satchel bag. You can choose to carry it as a handle bag, a long arm, or across your body. Also comes with a short strap, and this is the bag itself. Alright, so the bag itself comes in a Fendi, customized Fendi duster bag. And just to unbox the bag, so this is very useful just in case you want to preserve the bag and just travel with it or something like that. Oh my god, this is the bag, you guys. This is the bag. I absolutely love it. I love the size of it. It's not too big, it's not too small. Obviously everything comes crested and it is so well preserved. I mean, the presentation of this is so good. This is tear rubber. Like you have to take down all of the packaging. Oh my god, the bag is so well made. Obviously all of these are just the packaging to preserve the bag shape. You guys, this is what it looks like. There's a little pouch in there for your cards and small items. There's 2 spaces for your things. This is a perfect bag for me for church, honestly, because I can carry my bag in peace. I carry my notepad, carry my Bible in it as well. I absolutely love this. This is so nice. So there's a lever on here just in case you want to open the bag, and it comes apart. So just press on there and the bag comes apart. So this is the short strap, and I feel like this is the strap that I'm going to be using mostly. So basically hook this on here and here as well, so you can carry the bag like this. This is probably my preferred mode of carrying this bag. And this is the long arm. To be fair, it's not that bad, and I think I can actually rock this despite what I said before. So it's not bad at all. It's really nice, really well put together, and I love the bag. So you guys, if you are interested in this bag, you can click on the link in my description box, take you directly to the website, and you can use my discount code upon checkout, so you are guaranteed discount on your way out. All right, you guys, that is it for this unboxing. Let's get back to the rest of the vlog. Oh Lord, this summer is summering. All right, so it's afternoon drop off. We have dropped Daniel at school, and I've also stopped at Farm Foods to pick up some few things that we needed. And we're currently at the town center. That's why I want to pick up Ibu. That's why I want to pick up some things, and we're going to just look around town and enjoy the peace and quiet now that the boys are in school. And we'll catch up with you in the course of the vlog. Shotia? Yeah. All right, you guys. It's hot, so it's too hot. It's too hot. Say hello. 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 Oh, Father Lord. The summer is summering. The sun is sunning. Ah, leave anywhere low. Go take but lost anywhere. Mi sọ pé kò dá o. Mo ló gbóná gan.
Like it. Summer hotel
That's just the funny thing. It doesn't last long. So we're home now, and just about to do a really quick haul of what we got, and then we put everything in the freezer. So we got this too for the boys. We also got some fries from Farm Foods. This comes in the combo. This is about £5 and change for the two. This one has gone up. The OGs on the channel know that I usually get this combo for £10, but now the two has gone up to £12, and this combo is still as it is. It's still £3 for £6. So I usually get the strawberry, the pineapple and the mango. There are other frozen fruits as well. There's frozen apples, blueberries, raspberries, cranberries. There are different kinds of frozen fruits, but these are the three that I usually get for my smoothies. And then I also picked up, I usually get this in a combo as well, but this wasn't on sale, so I just bought one, and this one was about £4 and change. We also picked up some tangy tea tree shower gel. The whole family uses this. I also picked up 1 pack of eggs because we have some from before. I'm just topping off what we have. I also picked up another milk chocolate spread. The boys have this with toast. And lastly, I picked up some vegetable oil. So that's it for this really short. Oh, I almost forgot. We also got this really huge box of Cheerios. And that is it, you guys. Basically, everything we spent, everything was about £47. Where's my receipt? So everything was about £47.32, which is expensive in my opinion, but that's what it is. We've bought food, we will eat. That's what's important. So you guys, I'm about to go and edit some more videos before it is pickup time. Because now that it's really quiet, I actually intended to shoot some videos, but I just need to create space on my phone to be able to make these videos. Also, I need to do small makeup just to put body and soul together. Oh, this sun is stunning. It's giving me headache. I need Gary. I need cold Gary and granules. That's what's gonna do it. No, actually, I think I'm just going to have cold salad. That's it. Cold salad. So I made this really nice trifle salad. It has pasta, cabbage, carrots, cucumber, sweet corn, eggs, beans as well. So it's really nice. I'm about to have some of that for lunch, and then I'm just going to go ahead and edit some videos because I really need to push out content right now. You guys, although I know that I said lunch, but this is honestly the first thing I'm eating today. So this salad and juice or smoothies have been the bulk of my diet, and even though the results are still slow, but I feel a lot lighter. I feel better. And you guys, I've been on this journey with me with my weight loss, and it's not easy because I constantly have to deny myself eating what I want to eat when I want to eat, even the right amount of what I want to eat. But it's the process, and I'm willing to stick with it. So this is basically the first thing I'm eating, and then I'm just going ahead to go and edit some more videos before the boys come, and then I have to sort them out before the house gets quiet again, before we can then continue with my routine. So this is just a few hours later, and I'm just snacking on some pistachio nuts. If you watched my last grocery haul for the month, this was something my husband picked up, and I'm just snacking on that while the boys have had their lunch and they're having some yogurt while they watch TV. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish up those videos, and then it's time for dinner. I made something for dinner. I can't remember what it was now. I think rice or something, but I didn't have any. I only had some more pasta, salad, and then I had some chicken with that, and that was dinner for the day. You guys, Fit Farm is not for the faint-hearted. It's a lot of denial, self-denial, and just self-discipline, but we're getting there slowly and surely. You guys, thank you so much for watching this video with me. Leave me a comment if you found this helpful, or if you have any further suggestions. I am willing to listen. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye, guys.